Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and world over will observe the Indian Republic Day as Black Day tomorrow in protest against India's continued denial of right to self-determination to the Kashmiri people. Call for the observance of the Black Day has been given by the illegally detained All Parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Masarrat Alam Butt, Mirwais Umar Farooq, Shabbir Ahmed Shah and Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front and supported by the whole Hurriyat camp. The day will be marked by a complete strike in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and anti-India demonstrations and rallies in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan and world capitals. A protest demonstration under the aegis of All Parties Hurriyat Conference SHJ&K chapter will be held in front of Indian High Commission in Islamabad tomorrow. Jammu and Kashmir National Front and other Hurriyat organizations, while urging Kashmiris to observe India's Republic Day as Black Day tomorrow, have said that the fascist country that has usurped the fundamental rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir has no justification whatsoever to celebrate Republic Day. The entire Kashmir Valley and parts of Jammu region have been converted into a military garrison by imposition of curfew-like restrictions in the name of security. People are forced to stop at checkposts and subjected to vigorous frisking and checking by Indian troops and police personnel. The troops have been deployed in massive numbers around the main venues of the January 26 functions, especially the Kashmir Cricket Stadium Srinagar and Maulana Azad Stadium Jammu. The forces personnel are conducting surprise door-to-door search operations while sniffer dogs, sharpshooters, drones and CCTV surveillance have been pressed into service to maintain vigil. New bunkers and barricades have mushroomed in various parts of the territory to prevent anti-India protesters tomorrow. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, Muhammad Yusuf Naqash, Engineer Hilal Ahmed Var and Ghulam Nabi Wasim, while paying rich tributes to the victims of Handwara massacre on their 32nd anniversary today, reaffirmed the Kashmir's pledge to accomplish the mission of martyrs at all costs. On 25th January in 1990, at least 21 Kashmiris were gunned down by Indian troops in North Kashmir's Handwara town. A special praise were offered for the Handwara martyrs at a meeting chaired by All Parties Hurriyat Conference SHJ&K convener Muhammad Farooq Rahmani in Islamabad today. Meanwhile, an inspector of Indian police and 3 civilians were injured in a grenade blast in Srinagar today. The blast took place after unidentified persons hurled a grenade on a joint team of Indian Police and Central Reserve Police Force at Hari Singh High Street in the state. In view of the upcoming elections in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and other states of India, political experts who keep a close watch on Modi-led BJP government have warned that the ruling Hindutva regime may carry out a Pulwama-like false flag operation on India's Republic Day celebrations tomorrow to attract voters by maligning Pakistan and Sikhs. On the other hand, in yet another case of Hindutva high-handedness in Indian state of Karnataka, a group of men barged into a school premises and stopped Muslim students from offering namaz inside the premises. A video of the incident is making rounds on the social media.